Well, hey family, happy Monday. I hope everybody is having a really good day so far. I was sitting here making some bracelets. I got to steal away some time when I'm working my day job to create. I wanted to get some videos made and actually uploaded. I have been working on pieces, but those are pieces that I'm customizing for some individuals. So usually when I do that, I don't record them because I want those to be specifically for the individuals that I'm making them for. However, I am going to be uploading some videos where the pieces are going to be already finished, and that's only because I'm still in time away to be creating things. And if I don't do that, sometime I won't be able to upload anything. So I was thinking there are times when we go and we purchase beads and we really don't know exactly what we can do with those beads. These butterflies, that was my thought when I got these from Michael's. It's like, okay, well, what am I really going to do with these? It's like they're awkward shaped, they're flat, they're big, all this other kind of stuff. But I said, you know what? I can use them as a focal bead for a bracelet. And I really do like the way the bracelet came out. I mean, it's adorable. And then I went ahead and made two other bracelets to go with it. A nice big, I think this is our acrylic or plastic or something. So we got this. And then we went ahead and used the glass bead to make a third. Let me put this in here. Put that knot in there. To make a third bracelet, which is this one. So we came out with a really nice, hold on a second, a really nice set. It's what we came out with that butterfly as the focal. Let's see if we can slide it on real quick. So that will be the first one. One of the bracelets, when it's a set, one of the bracelets I always make a little bit bigger than the other two, 3 or 4 bracelets, only because the further up the arm, the bigger the arm is. So I want that bracelet to fit comfortably. So if somebody was wearing this set, you kind of got this going on right here, and then determining the size of the wrist and the arm, that would determine how these bracelets would lay on the person's wrist. I really like the way they look. You can actually put a couple more bracelets on, maybe some gold charm bracelets, a couple of bangles, something like such, or they can be worn alone. I really like the way this butterfly just kind of does its own thing though. Just like a really nice, just a really nice look. Shoot, it might even look better like painted, like maybe the lines, put color on the lines or something, and see if the paint will stay. I think I might try that on one of these, just color the lines different colors and then see if the paint will stay. But I really like the way it came out, like really like. And I was hesitant to grab the butterflies, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and grab them and then see. That even looks nice like that, and then just kind of see what they'll look like. So these are the 3 bracelets that I went ahead and made, and I will be back because I am making some other pieces. However, they'll be completed pieces. And then I hope everybody who's a mother or who had a part in raising a child or is in raising a child or children even now, I hope you had a really good Mother's Day yesterday. We did real good. We had a really good time. But anyway, darling, not for Drew by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.